What if you had just $5,000 to invest in crypto? No hype, no get-rich-quick scams, just a solid plan to chase financial freedom in 2025. Here's exactly how I'd do it. First, I'd split the money into 3 buckets. Bucket 1 is for solid coins, projects that are real. I'm talking about Solana, XRP, Ethereum. These coins have been tested. They've survived bear markets, and they're building real ecosystems. I'd put half of the money here, about 2,500. It's not flashy, but it's the foundation. Next, bucket 2. This is where I take more risk. Smaller altcoins, high upside, but only after research. I don't chase memes. I look for coins with real use cases, active developers, low market caps. This bucket gets 30%, about 1,500. Now bucket 3, the one most people forget. Stable coins. Why? Because I can earn passive income. I can stake, lend, or hold. And when the market dips, I've got buying power. That's the remaining 20%. About 1,000. Now here's the key. I don't trade based on emotion. I don't chase green candles. I stick to the plan. I focus on steady growth. This isn't gambling. This is strategy. The goal isn't just to double your money. The goal is momentum, confidence, control. Crypto is a tool. If you use it right, it can change your life. So here's the question. What would you do with $5,000? Would you buy Bitcoin? Go all in on Solana? Stack XRP? Let me know your strategy in the comments. Let's grow together, one smart move at a time.